Alright, I'm laying under the RSX today. Let's find out why. Yeah. So we're about to remove the oil pan. Obviously it's all the bolts around. And then you move the plate there and there's two, you see the little divots right there, right behind there. There's two of them. Got these two 14s. And that's just two little 10mm for that plate. It's right there. And then you got one right there in that divot. And then you just follow around the back. And that's pretty much the RSX oil pan removal. Let's do it. Oil is drained. This is the pan. And boy, is she dirty. But really clean inside. Motor is really clean. And the new pan is on. It's tapped. About to get the fitting, get some measurements, get this cut, and get that. I guess we can get it back on the ground at that point until I get the fabrication done, probably this weekend. Today is, I think, a Wednesday, so a couple days from now. I'm also going to drain the radiator and refill it. And I'm going to put the hybrid racing hoses on. So I'm thinking I might go ahead and install the radiator that I'm going to be using whenever I go to redo the bay. But I'm not too sure yet. I might just slap the hoses on and go with it. Or just work around these for now. I do plan to have the intercooler piping all welded together at one point. So until then, maybe we'll just wait. But again, when it gets real cold in the January, we'll probably end in November, December, January area. I'm going to take it down for about a month and redo the bay. At least have it back by March is pretty much the main goal. That's when it starts to get real nice. With it, yeah, by the beginning of March. I guess that's about it for this video. Let's get to it. And we're back topside. So the turbo's installed. Oil line gauge, oil boost gauge is in. Battery disconnected. I did have to go buy a 24mm socket, which this is not it. I must already put it back up in my little box there. So yes, she is dirty. I'm gonna clean that up. Guess that's it. I do wish it had maybe a little bit more tilt to it, I would say. I feel like a lot of them do. But this is a little bit different, so might point this down just a hair more. Come off kind of like a little snake, and maybe an S. Maybe just come off. Shoot maybe through here. Come into it. And then come out. And then probably won't be able to fit it through here as well. So we'll probably come through this little space here. And into the intake manifold. Which is there. Intercooler is there. It has not been installed yet. That is next. I think it's going to be too big for me to use this existing bar here. I'm hoping I don't have to take it out. We'll see. I think if I just make a tab, kind of bolted on the bottom where I don't use any of these tabs for the grill, and set it back some, I can get it in there, but we'll get to that when the time comes. I guess I'll do a little install of the intercooler. Piping's a little bit harder to do. The parts box is getting kind of low. This is exhaust stuff here. I do got to do the plumbing on it, so the wastegate, map sensor, and the speed factory port there. That's about it for the plumbing. So that isn't too bad. I just got a little sensor to plug in from the AEM boost gauge when I do the vacuum. No biggie. Wastegate, I done pulled it out, or not wastegate, I'm sorry. Blow off of it, I pulled it out, and it's getting ready. Wastegate is on. Hoping to get this stuff fabbed up this weekend. The pipe I have for this is not quite big enough. I don't know what I'm going to do there yet. I was thinking about maybe having the guy tack wad it so I can get it moving around for now. And then just break the tack wads when I get a piece of pipe welded in the mouth. Because that looks like what it's going to be right now. I'm going to reach out to a few of my local tuners and fab shops around here and see if they have anything laying around I can get. But then again, they might need it. So, yeah, you can tell I've been laying upside down in oil, right? We're out.